So I just got this new keyboard from Higround. It's the Base 65 Camp Black Ice. It comes in this nice high quality packaging. It comes with a USB-C cable, a keycap puller, and a switch puller. This keyboard is hot swappable, so if you need to take out your switches and put new ones in, um, you can easily take them out with the switch puller. It comes with two stickers, it looks like right here. One's a normal looking one and the other one's holographic. Those are pretty cool. You can put them on PC case, whatever. Here's a look at the keycap puller and the switch puller along with the USB-C cable. Nothing too crazy. And then, the keyboard comes with this nice packaging. Looks pretty nice offhand. Alright, so like I said, this keyboard's hot swappable. It comes with white flame switches. There's going to be a sound test at the end of the video on how they sound. They sound amazing in my opinion. So let me just get the switch out here for you. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just, all white. That's why it's called the white flame. Looks pretty good. Feels nice. The way it feels on the keyboard is nice, and you guys are going to be able to hear that on the sound test. So, yeah, that's just the switch that the keyboard comes with. Personally, I like it. In my opinion, I think it's good. So, yeah. Final thoughts on this keyboard is for only $100, this keyboard is awesome. I'll have the link in the description below if you guys are interested in it. Me personally, I find it awesome. The build of it is just amazing. It's high quality. The RGB is nice, and the aesthetic is just beautiful. I suggest this keyboard if you guys are just trying to game or type around. So if you guys like these type of videos, subscribe, comment down below. I'll try to get more review videos out for y'all. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you guys liked it. If not, I'm sorry. I have another review video coming on the way, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, peace out, y'all.